On this Global Hand Washing Day, we must remember and celebrate our future, because our future is at our own hands and we must move forward together. School hygiene education program under Dettol Banega Swasth India campaign make sure that every child is a change agent, as our future depends and lies in their behaviors and their practices. Hand washing can reduce the risk of children getting diarrhea up to 40%. As the schools are reopening, we must make sure that our teachers, our parents, and even the community leaders teach our children the importance of hand washing. Accessibility, as in children and students, especially in schools, still do not have water and soaps. When you talk about the awareness, they still don't know what is the correct way of hand washing. What we can do is that we can make the learnings more fun as the children go from primary to secondary school. Live demonstration of hand washing, teaching them the science behind hand washing, why it is important, especially in the COVID-19 times, where we all have, in some ways, fought through the pandemic, and many of us are still continuing to do that. It is very important for children, for our future, to know that what are the correct ways, so that we can prevent and we can, ensure our safety from any health risks that are yet to come. What through our intervention, like STEM education, like intuitive learning, like neuro-linguistic learning, and teaching child science and germs and diseases, and making sure that behavioral nudges, that are right messages, the correct way of hand washing, are present in the schools. The posters, the messages, even the functional hand washing area, the toilet area, and everything are crucial for our children, for our students, to get back to the learning and reduce any hindrances that are there in the learning pathway. What we can do together is that we can build a safe environment for them in the schools as they return back to schools. Together we can, and we will be able to prevent ourselves from any health risk in the future. Thank you.